Okay, what we're trying to do here is find the shaded area. So you have this rectangle, another one inside of it, but we just want the shaded area. So what we're going to do is, here's our formula. We're going to use a big area minus a small area, and that gives us the shaded area. Big minus the small gives us the shaded area. So this area right here, the large area, and I'm just going to make a little sketch down below. Please do the same. So the large area, yada, 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 doesn't have to look perfect, but this is it right here, and it is 10 centimeters by, I'll put it right here, 5 centimeters. Okay, this is the shaded area, and I'm just going to shade that in to represent the shaded area. It's 10 by 5. Oh, wait a minute, 10 by 5, that would make 50, right? It's 50 centimeters squared. Now, the small area is this area inside here. It's a different color, and that is 7 by 2. So, you know, I'll just kind of go like this. And it's 7 centimeters by 2 centimeters. See that right there? 7 by 2. 7 by 2, 7 times 2, well, that would make it 14. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 centimeters squared. Okay, so there's a shaded area. Here's the inside area. And now all we have to do is subtract it, right? 50 minus 14. And 50 minus 14 would be, it's at 36. .36 centimeters squared. Now let me just make a little sketch of that. So basically you have this, there, here. And there's your shaded area. Okay, so the large area minus the small area gives you the shaded area. And so this was 50, this is 14. 50 minus 14 is 36. So that is the area of the shaded area. The shaded region. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Yeah, we're going to use the same thing. We're going to take the big one, big area, minus the two smaller areas. And that will give us the shaded area. So let's we'll draw that out. So we have this large rectangle. Let's make a quick little sketch. You know, and it's basically all shaded. This big area. And that is, let's see, how long is that? We have 5 by 2. 5 times 5 and 2 is 7. So this is 7 centimeters. Going up and down. And going sideways, this way, the long way, let's see. It's 8 and 2. 8 and 2. Okay, so that would be 10. All right, so it's 7 high and 10 long. So 7 times 10 is 70. That's that area of the whole big thing. Now I need to subtract the smaller areas. Okay, so I'm going to subtract this area. I'm just going to write that down here. This little area. And this area is 2 by 2. So 2 by 2, that would be 4 centimeters squared. And the other area, this one right here, this is 2 by 3. I'm making a little sketch here. You got this other area, and that's 2 by 3. So that would make it 6. So this is 6, and that's 4. 6 and 4 would make 10. So 70 minus 10. And that would give us our shaded area. And so that would give us 70 minus 10 is just 60. And again, it would be the same drawing over again. And if you want to, just make a little sketch. Absent this square, absent this rectangle. There you go. So basically, I just took these two pieces out of it. Okay, so I take cutting it out, and so I'm subtracting it, and that gives me my total shaded area. So again, just imagine that you have this whole area. You take scissors, cut it out. How much are you cutting out? Well, then what do you have left over? All right, let's go down to the bottom one. So we're going to take the big area, this whole big thing, and then we're going to cut out the small area. And whatever we have left is the shaded area. So this big rectangle right here, let's see if we can figure out the measurements. First of all, it's 2, 3, and 2. Going down is 2, 3, and 2. That means going down it is 2, 5, 6, 7. It is 7 centimeters going down. Okay, and going sideways here, it's 10. And this is the shaded area. This is a whole box shaded. Okay, well 7 times 10, that's 70 square meters, centimeters. Okay, so now we have this, and now we're going to cut this out. How much are we cutting out? We are cutting out this rectangle, which is looks like it's 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Well, 5 times 3, that would make 15. And so 70 minus 15. So 55? 55 centimeters squared. And I'll just draw that sketch over again. Just make a quick little sketch so it looks something like this. Yada yada, doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and this is shaded in. Okay, so you have the large shaded area. This represents it. You cut this out. That's that. You're taking this out of it. And then what you have left is 55. 70 minus 15 is 55 square centimeters. And that is how we find the area of a shaded region, a shaded rectangular shape. Okay, in case you can't read down below here, it says, the insurance giants do battle, ironically costing their own companies billions of dollars in claims. The insurance giants do battle. Geico, Aflac,